So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space network diagnostics network adapter. Click on enter. And now this will come up. Click on next. You now want to run this. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now, you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your network adapter has not been disabled. So in my case, it's been disabled, so I'm going to enable it. So I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand network adapters. Now, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem.